Cool. Chat, we deep in LA today, boy. I think we're gonna catch some palm trees, bro. Them tight palm trees. So I'm pumped for this.
Snowfall Street?
Yeah, the Snowfall Street. Ah, that's funny. I think we're gonna be on that street.
I built this shit. Me, brick by brick. This has become strategic. Summer 18, man, such a season.
So we on our way, y'all. We deep in LA right now. Look, when you see a check cashing place and they sell shrimp with some apartments right behind the back, you know you in the hood. But they don't be seeing like how it really look. Boy, this really LA. Hella apartments on one block, houses on the other side. So y'all see this? Y'all see that in the fucking shit. And then this is what niggas be living in for real. All right, Chad, you see where you can get tricked at? These houses look decent. Like if y'all see these, y'all be like, oh, it looks cool right here. And then you see some projects right here. You feel me? It's not no projects, but damn near. Y'all ever been to Tab's Kitchen in LA? This shit fire, boy. You got 2 locations. But look at the palm trees, boy.
Bill Custer.
A custer is a buster with a C on my motherfucking crib.
This is where we dropped off for Ducky.
All right, y'all, we out here. Your boy Chef Quail. What up, though?
Oh, not right now.
Oh, my bad. All right, not right now, not right now. Right here in LA, we off Crenshaw Fig. Finna do the hibachi thing. Y'all make sure y'all like the video, comment what y'all think, comment if y'all would have me pull up to your section and do hibachi, bruh. Or if you wouldn't, bruh. If you would or if you wouldn't, bruh. I ain't gonna lie, this heavy, boy. Woo. Now let me get this one. It's a lot of food, y'all, a lot of gas, 50 gas. Y'all see them palm trees back there? Come on, man. We ain't Killer Kelly. Oh, shit. I almost dropped the food, huh? That'd been tragic, boy. I'm gonna show y'all the vibe, right? Let me get on flat ground first. Happy 65th birthday, Charlotte. The vibes. All right, chat. Huh? What happened?
I didn't know this top one hand sanitizer.
You okay?
I'm not using this top one.
All right.
We'll put paper towel in.
All right. Chat, we at the party, y'all. What I need y'all to do, make sure y'all like the video, subscribe, comment on the video. If y'all would let me come cook hibachi at your crib, comment in the comment section if you would. If you won't, do you trust it, do you don't, all right? Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy, Chef Quail, your local hibachi chef. I just want to let you know, if nobody believe you, believe in yourself, bruh. If they think you can't do it yourself, bruh. Straight up. You don't need nobody to believe you. You don't need nobody to do nothing. You can do it yourself, bruh. So, this is my message to you. Do it yourself. Party like this, hit that link in the bio. Get Chef Quail to do it. All right, I'm gonna do the. How y'all doing today, y'all? Yeah! All right. Everybody, let's give it up for the birthday girl, Charlotte, y'all. All right, y'all. My name's Chef Quail. I've been doing hibachi since 10:30 this morning, y'all. Good luck. Nah, I'm kidding, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what I got, y'all. I worked at Benny Hunter for like 5 to 6 years, y'all. The reason I don't work there no more is because I ran out of Saturdays, y'all. What's today? Saturday. Yeah, yes, sir. Y'all ever seen Drumline? Yeah. Cool. All right, y'all, got all these tricks off TikTok, okay? All right. Hey, y'all. Hey, oh, yeah. What's the deal, vlog? It's your boy, Chef Quail. We outside. We doing the fried rice. I'm finna season it up. We season like it's Thanksgiving around here, boy. Thought now, all right? But it is a lot of rice now. All in the flick of the wrist, all right? Then we got that, like it's Thanksgiving, y'all, all right? Yeah. Ooh.
Ain't no peas in there.
No peas, no peas. I don't like them either, auntie.
I don't eat peas. I see that green, I'm like, oh, I'm finna fry.
Yeah. That's crazy. So y'all see all these veggies? We're looking for this type of car right here, y'all, alright? That's what we're looking for. We want to car them up, make them look like something, boy. Oh, yeah. Mo now.
Vlogging?
Chef Quail on all platforms. Okay. Slow and steady, boy. Slow and steady on them veggies. We'll add some more garlic butter, some soy sauce, too, and sesame seeds. Y'all can see the end result. Fire, boy.
Action.
Hey, what's the deal, y'all? It's your boy Chef Quail. We right here with the vegetables. Oh my God, Lord. Look at it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at here, boy. Panda Express could never.
Never.
Take the steak up. I'm sorry. It's hot, baby. It's hot. Chat, God damn.
Okay, you're splashing it.
That's hibachi shrimp, chat. Master Burger. Chat, we on Burning and Western now.
Let's go to Master Burger.
I mean, fuck no. What? Burning and Western, where 4xtras at?
They got way more than that.
They got who? Oh yeah, that's crazy. I used to get my weed card from right here. They used to have the weed cards over here. Like you get the doctors,
Medical.
yeah, the medical marijuana cards right there. That's funny. All the way over here, that's wild. Like nigga away from Long Beach coming out here. Chat. Oh my goodness, boy. Hot.
This don't work. I just unlocked it.
Oh, it should be good.
Like
It ain't nothing in there.
no, lock the door. What you talking about?
Alright.
You gonna do that with your car?
This was my second. That's why you can't do favors for niggas. You do favors for niggas, niggas will never appreciate that. Niggas never know. You feel me? You keep giving niggas the opportunity to, you keep enabling niggas. Yeah, that was the hibachi party. Y'all make sure y'all like the video, comment on the video, subscribe, comment down below if I added enough garlic butter, all right? Let me know if I added enough garlic butter or did I add too much. Let me know what you think.